My name's Jim Griffune, and I'm with the University of Kentucky, and I'm going to be describing a little bit of our instrumentation tools project that we're doing as part of the Genie effort for the Proto-Genie group. And this is a project that involves several team members from the University of Kentucky. Our overall goal is to actually be able to launch experiments, often called slices in the Genie world, but to be able to launch these experiments and not only create them automatically for the user, but also automatically to provide the instrumentation tool set and the measurement tools that are needed in order to make that all work. So what we'd like to demo today is our system that is used to actually launch an experiment and then see the visualization of the measurement that's going on in that experiment. So we've actually put together a sort of short video as the actual setup time takes several minutes to do. But why don't we go ahead and show the process here of the video. So what happens is that when you want to create an experiment, we run a set of scripts, and these scripts are used to create the experiment, but at the exact same time as they create all the nodes to run on, they are also creating the instrumentation services. They're putting out into the network the measurement points that will be collecting the data, and they begin to immediately initiate the measurement process. So once that's started, what happens then is we have an ability to then actually run another set of tools that allow us to sort of visualize the network that we've just created and allows us to look at the actual nodes in that. So if we can move forward a little bit to see that. This is about ready to start. All right, so here we're actually starting up another tool that allows us to see the topology. And can you jump forward here? So this tool allows us to actually visualize the topology and to see the nodes that make it up. It allows us to actually then log into and create sessions with those nodes. And in this particular example, what we were starting up is a communication between the two nodes that are shown at the endpoints there, Genie 1 and Genie 5. And ultimately what ends up happening is we can not only see it, but we can then go and see the actual traffic that's generated. So we've created a measurement controller node, and the measurement controller node provides a web interface that allows you to actually see the traffic. So this interface here shows the traffic. This has been generated on the fly to match our topology and to match all the interfaces on each of the nodes. It then allows you to see the traffic that's coming from each of the nodes. And you can see both traffic utilization here for different types of traffic, whether that be IP traffic, TCP traffic, UDP traffic. And it also allows you to look at individual nodes, individual links, and gives you a live view of the system, updating it every 5 seconds currently. The system also allows you to see network state information like routing table entries, what processes are running, and so you can actually see state information there that's provided as well. And so you see here we actually have several tables that you can see which modules are loaded onto nodes. You can see what the routing tables look like, what TCP connections are. So the nice thing about this is that users can come along, create an experiment, and at the exact same time immediately have an instrumentation system available to them to see exactly what's going on with their experiment.